All right, welcome in. Thank you guys for being here. We're going to do a reading. I was getting this pull that there's a message that needs to come through. So I want to see what that is about. Before we get into it, though, Sacred Disruptors and Phoenix Frequencies, if you guys missed it, you have your winter astrology and energy transmission that has posted. Um, if you want to watch that and you're not a member, you certainly can. There's a link in the description box in the pinned comment for you to access that. And also, I put our first mini course up. It's a mini course. I'm recording another one right now. And it's decode your nodes. So there we really look at um, your nodes and how you kind of can do the uncovering for yourself on what you're here to do, what you're here to learn, and how this south node energy is as relevant as the north node. So members, you have a 30% off coupon in your announcements page for that. You guys can access. Okay, let's get into this reading because there was something wanting to come through. I have no idea what it is. I just feel the nudge to sit down with you. So let's see what comes through here. Show me. Let's see what comes through. Okay, 6 of Swords. 4 of Cups. There's something here where you're not really holding out hope for something, and I see that you're trying to move away from whatever it is. Yeah, you're more focused, or you're turning your time, attention, your focus to your money, to your stability, okay, to your physical world in some way, stabilizing that, maintaining that. You're taking your attention off of something is what I'm getting, and redirecting it to the 10 of Pentacles. It's coming from a place of like, I've lost hope, or this King of Wands keeps showing up in the readings. It could be because you feel like you've lost hope for something, or you want to move on from something that's been disappointing. Queen of Cups. And the Hierophant. You're mastering something emotionally right now. You need to know that. I feel like it's important for something that's going to be happening. Show me more here. Show me more. The Chariot. The 2 of Wands. You're choosing a path here is what I'm seeing. You're about to move down a specific path for yourself. And the 2 of Swords. Interesting. Tell me, excuse you, sir. Tell me more about the 2 of Swords, please. The 5 of Wands and the 4 of Pentacles. What is the 5 of Wands, please? The King of Swords. You're feeling you're feeling a little cold, like cold-shouldered toward whatever this is. What is this King of Wands? No, excuse me, not the King of Wands. What is this that there's disappointment around? Show me that 4 of Cups. Show me that 4 of Cups, please. Some of you were hoping to connect with someone or something. You may be seeing that someone is resistant to this, or have felt that someone is resistant to this. 5 of Cups. I think you're really disappointed that something isn't working out, or you're not seeing it come to, you're not seeing it happen. Okay. I'm seeing that there's the what you're feeling through this situation, what you're feeling through this experience is, um, mastering something emotionally, and it's creating this energy of you turning and redirecting your focus towards something other than this. Again, it's been disappointing. I feel like you don't wanna sit in that energy. You're wanting to get to a better place with that 6 of swords, which is the overall energy there. Can you tell me about this King of Wands, please? And that Chariot energy as well. Yeah. 3 of Wands, it's something at a distance. Whatever this is at a distance. Whatever you feel disappointed about is at a distance, or there's some kind of distance. There's the Knight of Wands. Something is taking, someone, I'll say, or something is coming through. Someone is taking action. Tell me about this Chariot. There's going to be some kind of conversation here is what I'm seeing. I get, like, loss of hope, loss of faith in something. Show me this Chariot. I feel like you're really directing your focus towards you're putting yeah, it's still there. It's still very present. You're putting your energy towards something. It's almost like you're trying to get your mind off something. And the 7 of Cups, but you're feeling it. You're feeling something here with the High Priestess and the 7 of Cups. It's still like it's still in the energy. What is this Hierophant, please? This could be something that is happens online first. You're turning like lemons into lemonade is what I'm seeing. You're moving in a direction even if you don't know what the outcome is gonna be. There's the Knight of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles. You're getting busy with something. Page of Pentacles. You're planting some kind of seeds here. 9 of Swords. Yeah, I get that there's some kind of I'm not sure how this is gonna go. So there's a little bit of uncertainty. 10 of Swords and the Queen of Swords. I really feel like you're laying something to rest, or you're let me put it this way, you're trying to lay something to rest. But I see action coming towards you. It may not have happened in the time you thought it was going to, or in the time that you feel like it should have. Whatever this 3 of Cups is about. It's like you don't feel like something is happening. It's causing some coldness. Cold shoulder is how it's coming through. 8 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles. I feel like you're trying to get something off your mind because you're not seeing any proof of it. That's how it feels. And I do see where you're trying to like end it, let it go, turn cold toward it in a way. What do we need to know about that energy? Seven of Swords. Oh, be careful. You could be avoiding healing something if you're in that energy. This isn't about distracting yourself from what you're feeling. This is about understanding what you're feeling, dissecting that, understanding where it comes from, becoming curious about it. You this isn't about like you distracting yourself with something that's important in your life. I see that. Um or that you want to be important in your life. You want to be a thing in your life, so you could be trying to stabilize something. You might be implementing some new ideas, some new projects, things like this, even if you're not, again, not sure how it's going to go. I feel like it's something that you want to see successful. But I'm hearing time, and there's a time and a place. Um, there's something about not avoiding how you're feeling here because there's a healing that's happening when you allow that to allow yourself to be present with that energy instead of just dismissing it and trying to move on from it. There's something important in the emotions of this. Can you show me more about this Queen of Cups? Yeah, see, 3 of Swords. This is meant to change you. That's what this is about. This what you're seeing as a disappointment, or you've lost hope in it and it's time to move on. or you're feeling like I need to move on from this. It's pain that is changing you. Can you show me more about this world? 3 of Wands, 8 of Wands. There could be some kind of travel. There could be like I just heard like not an actual knock, but they're showing me and like I'm getting a sound with it. Like someone knocking on your door. Hanged Man, 10 of Wands, the Tower. Yeah, there is something that there's the Wheel of Fortune. Something you've been waiting on, someone's finally taking action. You're going to hear from someone, something is coming through that you've been waiting on. But this is something again that you're disappointed in. It hasn't happened. You've no proof that this is happening. But the pain that you feel from that, the emotions that you're feeling from that are helping to change you. But this is coming through. I feel like what this changes in you is something that you need to address this when it does come through. And that doesn't mean that you're cutting it off or that you're letting it in. Okay. It's going to vary for each of you. So that's what I have. Very strong message that was trying to come through. I needed to release it. So if you're interested in working with me, you can do so at collapsecodes.com. You'll click on the Work With Me tab. And if you still have questions after looking that over or taking the quiz there, feel free to reach out to me at Casey at collapsecodes.com. And I will see you guys very soon in the next reading. Take care.